Hey guys. All right. Today I'm gonna walk you guys through what I call this the smart search on the so that's how I call it because let's say if you're trying to move somebody instead of just like let's say okay, let's say I have a driver in Atlanta, Georgia, and he's trying to go to Charlotte, North Carolina, but he doesn't want to date ahead 100 each way. So usually people will just like do that type of search, just put the origin and then do like this. So that will give you all the loads and you will not be able, it will show you every load, all the loads that pick up 100-mile radius of Atlanta, but with no specific direction, like it can be load going anywhere. So to narrow down your research, you see it can be a lot because this is a driving. Um, so what how I do my research is like I will go ahead and put the destination Charlotte, North Carolina, and he doesn't want to date ahead more than 100 miles away from North. So anything that pick up 100-mile radius around Atlanta, but drop off like less than a 100, not more than 100 miles from Charlotte. So if anything, gonna be like 200, the drop off gonna be like a 150 or 200. It would not show me that. So and I put drive in here, the date, and I hit on search. So it narrowed down from 987 earlier to 47 exact March. So here it makes my life a lot easier. So I can see this load example is pick up in Georgia, 64 miles away from Atlanta, and is dropping in North Carolina. But that town, Lincolnton, is 39 miles away from Charlotte, North Carolina. So that LPU narrow down and focus on what. So this specific driver, he doesn't care about the mileage that is a drive as long as you get him close to home. So this type of search is like it make your life easier, especially when the driver is done with the OTR, they're heading home. So you can know, okay, how far the drop off is from home and is it worth it based on the money. Okay. Again, let me take you through it. You got a driver who want to go in a specific direction. So let's say he been on the road for 2 weeks and now he's in Atlanta, just dropped something in Atlanta. He want to head to Charlotte, North Carolina, where he's home. But he doesn't want to drop a load that is more than 100 miles from North Charlotte. So you put the pickup is Atlanta, asking him the deadhead is willing to drive from Atlanta. And then you put your destination, the deadhead that is willing to do. And then you do search. So it will give you the list of the load and you just have to go down the list. Okay. So then I'm gonna start working my way through the list, email or the one that with the phone number, I called him. So that was a quick tutorial that I decided to do because today I was frustrated with the loads. Um, this one, the example, the criteria that I gave it to you, they was a lot smaller, but this particular career that I was dealing with got us so many criteria, so many. I don't do this, I don't go there, I don't. So it was frustrating, but thanks to one of my mentor told me this trick, and I know it. I didn't. Uh, I didn't remember. I didn't think of doing it. It's been a hard week. All right. I hope you enjoyed this, and If you enjoyed this video or you get a nugget from it, please share. And if it's from YouTube, like, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. So I do dispatching, yes, I dispatch driving, refer, power only, load, and stuff like that. So if you ever need a dispatcher, hit me up 404-322-8827. Again, 404-322-8827. Thank you. All right, stop the recording.